Hey guys, so I got this Everlasting Comfort bike seat because I have kind of an old school bike. I've been cycling almost my entire life, and I have not replaced my bike seat in over 10 years. And as somebody who absolutely loves this, and somebody who's kind of a bigger dude, let's be honest, I'm not your smallest dude out there biking. I needed to get something that would absolutely absorb shock, be comfortable, be convenient, and just more importantly, just be, something that I think is worth investing in. And so this Everlasting Comfort bike seat is the perfect solution for anybody who's going through the same thing that I was. It has dual shock absorbing balls right here underneath the seat, a ventilated design for cooling, and high density memory foam for that extra cushion. I mean, this is a high quality, very well crafted product. I wouldn't be doing this video if I didn't highly recommend this. And here's the cool thing too, is it's easy to set up. They even sent me a kind of tool kit that's really easy. They even send you the tools to set it up. Simple, fast. Oh, and here's the kicker, a lifetime warranty. So if you're looking for the best bike seat on the market, this is literally it. Again, I'm a big dude, super comfortable, easy to insert, easy to install, and it really covers all the bases of, having that comfortable ride and making sure that your next bike ride is comfortable, easy, and you can do what you do best, which is cycle without worrying about the discomfort that comes with all the other traditional bike seats out there. So highly recommend this Everlasting Comfort bike seat.